Robloxians! In today's video, we're going to find out how to get free items in Roblox. No Robux needed, so make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any tips. Let's go! Let's get started with this game. It's super easy to get free items here, and we're also going to claim a free bundle. Alright, let's go ahead and skip the game tutorial for now. We'll figure things out as we play. Now follow my lead and select the game called Tennis 1x1. This is where we'll start our journey to get those awesome free items. Now I'll speed up this game and you just need to play at least 2 times. Now we've successfully received a beautiful and stylish bag item. It looks really nice, and the best part is we got it completely for free. Now let's move on to the next game. Make sure you find the exact same game like this one so you can get the same free item too. Now you need to follow me over to the shop. Here, you'll be able to get an outfit completely for free. You can see the notification just below to confirm it. Now follow me to the upstairs. Over there, you'll see a claw machine. Follow me to that area and click in front of the machine. Look! We got another notification at the bottom. Now, we've just received an absolutely amazing free outfit. It looks super cool, and I'm sure you're going to love how it makes your character stand out in the game. The next game is McLaren F1. Make sure you find a game that suits your style, just like this one. Alright, now follow me as we head towards the helmet display. Make sure to keep up, because we're about to grab something cool over there. Wow! Look at that! We've just unlocked 4 free helmet items. These helmets are not only super cool, but they also add some amazing style and flair to your character. Make sure to equip them and show them off in your next game. Here's the next game. Make sure you find one that's exactly the same so you can follow along and grab the same awesome rewards we're getting here. Follow me closely and click right here on this spot. Make sure you don't miss it. Now, take a really close look and pay attention to every detail of the code that we need to enter. It's important that you enter it exactly as shown to make sure we unlock the next exciting reward. Double check it to avoid any mistakes. Now, we've just received an absolutely stunning item. It's definitely one of the best items we've unlocked so far. Alright, the next game we're going to dive into is Sunsilk Hair Care Lab Tycoon. Make sure to stay tuned because this one is going to be full of surprises. Alright, follow me closely. And together we'll head to the next part where we'll receive a badge notification. Make sure you're paying attention so you don't miss out on this special reward. It looks super super stylish and fits perfectly with our character's overall look.